Welcome back to Enlighten Me. Many of you have left comments on my other video, how Disney Plus can work with your TV, the Apple Lightning to AV adapter workaround. The three most common errors that are occurring or issues that are occurring are audio, no video, oops, something went wrong, and a barcode on your screen. And I'm going to talk to you about how we can solve each one. So let's go. So the first issue is audio but no video, and this might be occurring if you are going onto your device, the iPad or the iPhone, and you are streaming from a browser. That's actually what happened to me, but the way that I've solved it is I downloaded the Disney Plus app, which we're at the App Store right now, and this is the Disney Store app. So you download it, and after it's downloaded, you can launch it. That, and then you go to the tap on Mickey's face, and that's where you put in your credentials and log in and launch the app. And if you watch all the content from the app and connect the Lightning to AV adapter, you shouldn't have any more issues. So again, like I said, go to the App Store, download the Disney Plus app, launch it on your iPad or iPhone, and then attach the adapter, and then to your television, and there shouldn't be any more audio to no video problems. Oops, something went wrong. Now, some of these are the Disney 83 error, which it kind of depends on a variety of factors. I get that error when I am using cellular data and the signal is weak. A lot of you might be having that error if you are downloading content to your Apple device and then launching it. And so there's a specific workaround using an HDMI switch or a splitter. Oops, something went wrong, except it's not a Disney error. So some of you, if you're downloading content to your iDevice, are getting what's called the HDCP error. Now this is a really good How to Geek article that gives kind of a rundown on what the HDCP error is and how to fix it. So let's just briefly go through it. What is HDCP? It's a form of digital rights management. It's supposed to protect content creators and large conglomerates from piracy, but as we know, that's not what's happening here. We all pay for Disney Plus, and there's a download button right there. So there's obviously a problem somewhere, downstream between one of these devices. The breakdown usually occurs with my assumption is that Disney Plus might get confused by the Apple to Lightning AV adapter, and it throws out this error. So maybe this is what you guys are seeing, this blue screen or a black screen or something that says non-HDCP output. And basically the long and short of it is you can't watch whatever you've downloaded from Disney Plus. So how do you fix it? There's this product right here. It's made by ViewHD, and I'm going to click on it in a second, and I'm going to link it in the description and top comment below. This is an HDMI splitter. It's about $14 to $15, and it's still available as of May 2020. And basically what it does is it acts as an interface between your iDevice and your television. So this is what you need to do. You take your iDevice, you plug in the Apple to AV Lightning adapter to your iDevice, then you use an HDMI cable, plug it into this splitter, then with a different HDMI cable, you plug the splitter into your television set. And that should, solve the problem. Now see here, they kind of give an example. They're watching Drunk History without the splitter attached. Then they plug it in and they're able to watch it. The reason I can't do that is, first of all, I don't have a splitter. We don't download Disney Plus content. We just stream it. And if I hit play, if I theoretically had it and I hit play, I'm pretty sure I get hit with a copyright strike by Disney, and so that's the reason I haven't hit play on any of the content. But this should give you an idea that if you use the HDMI splitter, that it will work, because here it doesn't work and here it does. So this is the View HD HDMI splitter that the How to Geek article said will remove the HDCP error when you're using the Apple AV Lightning adapter with Disney Plus. So this is the product that's been recommended. I don't own this product. I may do a video down the road and try it and download content and see how it works for me. If you want to try it, again, it's like right currently, April, May 2020, looks like it's about $15. You want to try it and see if it works with your downloaded content or if something similar works. Feel free to let me know. And yeah, let's see what happens.
Barcode. Some people will plug in the adapter and they'll get a barcode on the screen. Now, the reason I'm 99% sure this is occurring is because you're not using the genuine Apple Lightning AV adapter. This is a genuine Apple product. If you're using a third-party item, then you're going to probably get that barcode appearing on your screen. So when in doubt, just go buy the genuine Apple Lightning AV adapter. And again, I've got it linked down in the description below if you're looking for that particular product. So don't use third-party items.
I also wanted to give different views of the Apple Lightning digital AV adapter. So this is the product I use. So it should look like this from the top, and it should look like this from the port side, HDMI, and then this is your Lightning cable.
Another problem might be occurring is that the screen freezes. And so what I do is I always hit do not disturb, and that usually solves that problem for the screen stopping or stuttering. It stops all notifications and emails, and it won't disturb your viewing experience. So the other thing that you can do is just power cycle your device, which simply is clicking on this side panel, or if you have a different phone, whatever it is, to get the slide to power off to show up, and then you power off your device, and then you simply start it up again. And hopefully it was as simple as that. If none of those workarounds work, some people who are in different parts of the country and their internet service provider, their ISP, doesn't give them reliable Wi-Fi service, they have to use a cellular signal. That could be the cause of a lot of problems. Again, I wish I could solve that one for you. I just wish ISPs could be better. So just contact your customer support or your state representatives and get them to enforce better quality service from your ISPs so they give you more reliable signals. Again, that could be also a cause. I really appreciate everybody leaving comments for me. It's been, that video is racking up quite a few views, and I appreciate that it's helpful, and I appreciate everybody watching it and subscribing. So if you found this video helpful, please also click and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll make more videos like this that are hopefully helpful. See you next time. Bye.